You've reached 59 seconds and you don't get to show the most interesting part that would have captivated your audience to watch your long-term video. Hi YouTube creators, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you about the latest YouTube short update in 2024, and with this update you can get to monetize your YouTube short and place advert, and you're going to make more money just with your YouTube short. So you just need to stick around to the end of this very particular video, which I'm going to tell you about this update and how it works, and for you to be getting more of my videos about this very particular update, because I know there's still more update to come after this feature has been launched. You need to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I get to post a new video, you'll be among the first person to get notified. Have you subscribed? Thank you for subscribing and being part of my amazing community. You're welcome. Really appreciate. So without wasting much time, I'm just going to head you over to the other side of my screen, which I'm going to show you about this latest YouTube update. So we are just going to read out the update together and let's see what it is. Okay, based on creator feedback, we are increasing the duration limit for shorts. Starting from October 15, 2024, you can upload shorts up to 3 minutes long. Okay, so from October 15, 2024, like this year, you'll be uploading short that is longer than 59 seconds. Short will no longer be 59 seconds, 15 seconds. You can get to be uploading short that is up to 3 minutes. Okay, so by so doing, it will help you to like place advert on your short, and if you're a monetized channel, you're going to make more money with your YouTube short than usual. Okay, because the more advert you placed on your short, or the more advert you placed on your video, the more money you earn. Okay, here is what you need to know about some of the changes coming. Creating and monetizing 1 to 3 minute shorts. Any videos you upload before October 15, 2024 will stay the same and remain as long form videos on your channel, even if they are in a vertical orientation. If you are currently in the YouTube Partner Program, those videos will continue to monetize via paid watch ads. Okay, so what this actually means is that if you have, okay, let's say for instance, right from now till 14th of October, any video that you have uploaded as a long form video that is 3 minutes, that video is still going to remain as long form video. Okay, so that's what this stuff is actually talking about. And if you are a channel that you are monetized, you still get making money from those long form video that is 3 minutes long. It won't be regarded as short. I don't know if you guys are getting me. Like any video you get to upload from now till 14th of October won't be regarded as short. It will be regarded as long form video. Even if it's 1 minute, 2 minutes, it's going to be regarded as long form video. Okay. So let's look at the last part. After October 15, 2024, you can upload short up to 3 minutes long using square or vertical videos via YouTube app or desktop. Okay, it's after October 15, 2024 that any video that you upload that is 3 minutes or 1 minute or 2 minutes, it will be regarded as short. Like if you uploaded a short that is up to 1 minute, that is when it will start counting. But any short that you're uploading now, or any of your long form video that you've uploaded now, it's not going to be counted as short. Okay, and with this you get to like make more money because you get to like place more adverts on your short. And we all know that short goes viral than long form videos. We all know that one very well. I think YouTube creators actually requested for this particular feature. They needed YouTube to like bring in this feature, because I know what it means when you like get to like post a short. I know the most important part of that video that you want to show. You've reached 59 seconds and you don't get to show the most interesting part that would have captivated your audience to watch your long-term video. That is why creator actually request for this particular feature or update from YouTube. And I've already told you guys that YouTube is a platform that wants to keep people for a long-term gain. Okay, so as creator requested for it, they need to make sure they are bring in this update to help creators to make more money in their YouTube short. Because I know that there are some persons that are actually into posting of short and they don't have time like to do long form video, and this is also going to be beneficial to both people posting long form content and both people that are into posting shorts. Okay, so no need for you to like get afraid of short being an arm to your YouTube channel, because with this feature it will help us like make more money. And guys, I'm so excited about this update. I don't know about you. Let me know in the comment section if actually you are very, very happy about this update, or let me know what you think about this update in the comment section. Do you think it's helpful? Do you think it's useful? Do you think it's going to like make you get more money, or do you think you prefer uploading long form videos to short? Let me just know about that in the comment section. Please share this video to get to as many people that need to watch this right now. Okay, the only thing you can do to support my channel is to share my video, like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can be getting updated for my future posts. Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. I love you.